Welcome guys back to my channel. In this video tutorial we are knitting docker or bus driver hat with this cute little loop on the top. It is super quick and practical project and perfect gift for the upcoming celebrations. For this tutorial, you see I am already knitting the second one. For this tutorial you will need circular needles 5 millimeters. I'm using 40 centimeters length or 16 inches. For the crown you will definitely need double pointed needles of the same size, 5 millimeters. And I'm using a bulky weight yarn, so that's why it is really super quick project. And today I'm using paint box yarn, simply chunky. It is 100% acrylic yarn. You see number 5. So if you are ready, grab your yarn and needles and let's jump right in. Using long tail cast on method, cast on 72 stitches or any number, a multiple of 6. So it could be 66 as well or 60 stitches. For example, plus one extra stitch, we are going to use this stitch to join and knit and round. So slip the first stitch, then with the tip of left hand needle pick up the last stitch and slip it over the first one and drop it off the needle, then return first stitch back to the left hand needle. Check that all your stitches are not twisted and place the stitch marker. And we start knitting. In stockinette stitch, just knit all stitches around. Please continue knitting till the stitch marker. Round number 2, we are going to repeat round number 1. Knit all stitches around. Finish this round and continue knitting in stockinette stitch until you reach at least 18 centimeters. Here I am. So let's measure. You can make a double folded brim or keep it as a single folded brim, whichever you prefer. At the end you will need to wash your hat and then block it so the stockinette stitch section doesn't curl. Let's measure. So this a little bit more than 18 centimeters, maybe 19 or 18 and half, and 7.5 inches. No, 7 inches, a little bit more than 7 inches. And from this point we are going to start shaping the crown. We divide the crown in 6 parts, so the number was multiple of 6. And to make it easier, and especially if you are a beginner, just place stitch markers every 12 stitches. And we start with slip the first stitch, then knit the next one, and then pass the first stitch over the second one, then knit 10 or knit till the next stitch marker. And this part we are going to repeat. Sleep, need, Passover, and then need 10. And again, sleep, need, Passover, and then need 10. Please go on repeating. Sleep, need, Passover, need 10 till the stitch marker. Round number 2, we are going to knit all stitches. No decreases here. Knit all stitches around. Till the stitch marker. Round number 3, again we start with decreases. So we have already not 12 but 11 stitches in each section. So slip, knit, Passover, and then knit 9. And again, repeat. Slip, knit, Passover, then knit 9. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. Yeah. Slip, knit, Passover, and knit 9. Please continue repeating till the stitch marker. Round number 4, knit all stitches around. Continue knitting till the stitch marker. Round number 5, there will be round with decreases again, so we make slip, knit, Passover, and then knit 8. Knit 8. And repeat. Slip, knit, Passover, knit 8. Slip, knit, Passover, knit 8 till the stitch marker. Then again round without decreases, and again round with decreases. So in this way you continue making decreases until you have last 6 stitches on your needles. Do not forget that you will need to change to double pointed needles later. So here I am. Actually, you can cut the yarn and close the crown at this point if you do not want the loop, the funny loop on the top. Me, I'm going to continue. When you have 6 stitches, knit 1 and then slip, knit, Passover. So we need to decrease 2 more stitches. Again, knit and then slip, knit, pass over. And now when we have 4 stitches on the needle, I'm ready to start crocheting a night cord. So slip all stitches to the right side of the needle and pay attention that the working yarn is sticking from the left side, and start knitting. Knit 4. Move again all stitches to the right side and knit 4. So this is the second row. Again, move to the right side and knit 4. Move to the right side again and knit 4. So this is row number 4. Knit in total 8 or 9 rows. And here I am. Let me measure. Somewhere about 6 centimeters. No, not 6. 5.5 centimeters. 5.5. Could be 5 as well. Do not make it too long. Here in inches. 2 inches. Let's make decreases here. Knit 2 together and knit 2 together again. Okay. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. Take a yarn needle. Pull the tail through remaining 2 stitches, and then sew it somewhere here. Okay, the loop is ready. Couple of more stitches and pull the tail on the wrong side. Make a knot. And weave in end. So now you will definitely need to wash the hat. So you see this rolling edge. So to prevent it from rolling, you need to wash it and then dry it flat. It might still roll a little bit, depends on the yarn you are going to use. Or you can just make a double brim, as I said, and wear it as a docker hat. So up to you. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to like this video. And if you're looking for a written instruction, please check my blog and check my other hats tutorials. There are lots of them, I think more than 50 hats tutorial, and they're all free on my blog, and you're welcome there.